Now that we've looked at the common formats of whiteboard challenges, let's talk about the different settings you might actually encounter during your interviews. Whiteboard challenges don't always look the same. Sometimes you're standing in front of a physical board, other times you're sharing your screen over Zoom. The environment might change, but the core skills being evaluated stay exactly the same. Let's explore each format. The first one, the in-person whiteboard, is the classic setup. You're in a room with interviewers standing in front of a physical whiteboard, holding markers, and sketching your ideas in real time. Here, your body language, confidence, and spatial arrangement really matter. Interviewers are not just watching what you draw, they're also watching how you move, how you present, and how you engage them in conversation. It's an environment that rewards confidence in hand sketching, storytelling, and maintaining presence while you explain your thought process. Think of it as a mini workshop, your opportunity to lead the room with structure and calm energy. Next, we have the remote digital board. This is now the most common format, especially for distributed teams. Here, you'll use tools like Figma, Miro, or FigJam to ideate and structure your design process. The focus shifts slightly. It's less about physical energy and more about clarity, navigation, and communication. How well can you organize your board, label your steps, and keep your audience oriented as you talk? Your screen sharing etiquette becomes critical. Zoom in and out smoothly, highlight key points, and make sure your audience can follow along. It might feel less natural at first, but digital boards actually give you more control. You can keep things tidy, add comments, and demonstrate structured thinking in a clear visual format. Then there's the hybrid format. This is when part of the interview happens in person and part remotely. For example, some team members might be on site with you, while others join via call. This setting tests your adaptability. You'll need to balance verbal discussion with visual problem solving, ensuring that both audiences, those in the room and those online, are equally engaged. The trick here is to narrate your process clearly while also maintaining visual clarity on screen. Interviewers observe how you handle this dual communication, because in real world teams, that's often exactly how collaboration happens. And finally, the take home assignment. Now, this isn't technically a whiteboard challenge, but it's closely related. Here, you're given a prompt to complete independently within a specific time frame. You'll work on it on your own, researching, ideating, and wireframing, then present your process and decisions live to the interview panel. This setup gives you more time, but also tests how well you can structure your work independently and defend your reasoning clearly during presentation. It's not about how polished the design looks, it's about how well you can explain why you made the choices you did. No matter which format you face, in-person, remote, hybrid, or take-home, the core evaluation criteria never change. Interviewers are asking themselves one simple question: can this designer think clearly, design strategically, and communicate effectively under realistic working conditions? If you can consistently do that, regardless of the setup, you'll leave a strong impression every single time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.